How to use RL200HVG correctly. RL200HVG recently received some customers who have questions about the manual in order to better use and understand the rotating laser level. We're gonna have a detailed explanation of the specific operation in this video. Let's do a quick review of all of the buttons. Let's start with the basics. Battery installment. Rotate counterclockwise and turn on the battery compartment. Install the battery following the instructions. Power on and off. Press the key on/off to turn on automatic leveling in default. The power indicator will light. When the battery is low, the power light will flash to remind the user. Press the key on and off again to switch off the instrument. The power indicator will go out. Automatic leveling mode. Press the key on and off to bring automatic leveling function. The laser model will rotate at the speed of 600 RPM in default. The indicator and beam will blink together if the instrument is placed improperly or the slope of instrument exceeds the range positive or -5 degrees. Please adjust the position or angle of the instrument. Spinning. Continuous spinning. Press the key 3E to control the spinning speed of the laser model. Press the key repeatedly, laser beam up or down. Exit slope adjustment mode. Press key 3B again. The instrument will exit the slope adjustment mode and will self-leveling. Again, the indicator will go out. ADS. After powering on in self-leveling mode, press the button to turn on ADS mode. In ADS mode, if the tool is moved during work, it will stop rotating, and the ADS button prompt light will flash faster to remind.